Hi, this is Sam and welcome to Crypto Gains. Today we're gonna talk about THETA, one of the most exciting blockchain projects out there, one that will have a massive run in 2021 and beyond. Like in a decade, this could dominate the whole internet, especially with the huge news that came today. So please stay till the end of this video where I will give you an exact price prediction and I will also share some news that will shape the next decade. Yes, decade. So stay tuned. But before we start, please smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and most importantly, join our Telegram group. We are more than 12,000 subscribers so far. We're growing together, we're making trades together, and most importantly, we're helping each other make profit. So, link is below this video, and I will see you there. So, what is THETA? Let's go to their website and check for ourselves. THETA is the next generation video delivery powered by you. And what does powered by you means? Meaning there is no central place where all servers are stored like with YouTube, but servers are decentralized and stored across the globe. And who powers those servers? Yes, you and me, the blockchain users. So this is video decentralization at its best. So how does that compare to YouTube? Let's take YouTube an example. They have like a central server, or let's say a central cloud where all servers are attached together and all traffic has to go through those. So if they have 1 million users, they have to have servers that can handle 1 million users. The more users they have, the more problem that will create for them in terms of scalability, because they cannot scale indefinitely using servers as all of us in the web development field know. So there must be a different solution. And this is where the beauty of THETA comes in. Instead of having the servers in one place, servers are distributed across the globe and not with one hosting party or a hosting company, but anyone can go in, set up a node and have their unused bandwidth sent to the THETA network so that they could stream the service, and then you can earn money off of that. In other words, if you have extra bandwidth, you can set up a node here. I will show you in the docs where it's located. And then you can just start earning money. That's all. That's very easy. So let me take you to the docs page here on the THETA token website. So as you can see, this documentation is very extensive. I really love when projects have such an extensive documentation because it means they are serious about business, not just selling you fluff. All right, THETA Guardian node. Let's check this one. Alright, I'm not very technical, so I'm not gonna get into that, and you don't need to be that technical actually. But if you wanna explore this, I will link to the docs below this video so you can check for yourself. The point is that you can set up your own node on the THETA network and use it to stream services. And most importantly, content creators are rewarded, and people who view are rewarded, and the creators of the node are rewarded. So it's a very decentralized sharing system, not like YouTube where like you watch, they get paid for ads and they make insane money and you don't see anything. No, this is very different. Now, why am I so bullish on THETA? It's because they are not going head to head against the big companies like YouTube or Facebook. They're gonna work with them in order to help them create a better cost-effective video delivery solution. Now, how does that work? They set up a node at that provider, say YouTube, and then they show them how much they have saved for them. And that is insane. They could save a lot on hardware costs. Now, you might tell me, yeah, that's all great, but how do they get in touch with the big players like YouTube, like Facebook, like Google, like all of these players? So let me show you the team page to see how powerful this is gonna be. Team. So these are the co-founders. Let me show you the advisors. Steve Chen, co-founder of YouTube. Yes, one of the co-founders of YouTube is on the advisory board for THETA. Now, how cool is that? And you can see lots of great people like Blaze TV founder, CEO G Fuel. Like, you might not know all of these companies, but they are all big in their own niches. For example, Sony. All of us have heard of Sony. Twitch, Microsoft, Verizon. So all of these people who are advising them are very big on technology and have achieved massive success, as well as in the telecommunications sector. And that is very important. Why? Because THETA is all about telecommunication and nodes and all of that, not just like any software. So let's take a look at some of their partnerships to see how big they really are. First of all, platform partners: Samsung VR, CJ Hello, THETA TV, that's their own. Pandora TV, like they have partnered with Samsung, they have partnered with YouTube as well, if you read the news. So they are really big on video streaming, on decentralized video streaming. And the more we move forward, the more video we will use, because all media is going through video now, especially with all the improved internet speeds across the world and all of us working from home and the increase of remote work regardless of coronavirus. So yes, the whole trend is towards more decentralized video, and that is the future here right in your hands. Now let me show you the THETA TV website, where they show you a proof of concept on how powerful this technology is. So now I'm on their website. As you can see, they have lots of channels, THETA brand partners channels. So NASA is streaming a 24/7 stream on the THETA network. Then the World Poker Tour, Shout Factory, Mystery Science, they have lots of partners. And now when you play a video on these sites, it's not going through a central server, keep that in mind. It's going through a peer-to-peer decentralized network. If you have ever downloaded a file from BitTorrent or a similar service like the Pirate Bay, you would know how torrents work. Basically, you don't download from a central server. The file is scattered across multiple computers, where you could go and grab a piece of the file from each computer, and then it becomes one file on your own desktop. So think of this in terms of BitTorrent. This is decentralized BitTorrent for videos. It can get simpler than that. So I think you should understand why it's so powerful. On another hand, it's creating a whole new economic model. So instead of YouTube taking all the profits, now profits are shared between everyone on the blockchain. Content creators, node creators, viewers, everyone gets a piece of the pie, and then you earn Tfuel that you could use on the THETA TV store to purchase goods, to trade for NFTs and all of that. So they are very bullish for 2021 in my opinion. Now for the big news. Let's go to the news page on their website, and it says THETA Labs granted second US patent for ultra-high transaction throughput micropayments to support decentralized video and data delivery. Now, in short, they got another patent over their technology. In other words, no one else can compete with them. Like, if I want to take their source code and just throw it out there, create a similar network, I can't. Simply because there are legal stuff in place, also known as patents, that prevent me from doing so. This is why they will basically have no competitors, and if anyone has to compete with them, they will have to do it in a different way, using a different technology. This is why they're the only one in this space, and they have a strong team, very strong partnerships. The advisors are very strong, they have the funding, they are one of the top 50 coins, so I don't think it could get better than that. Now, let's go to the price prediction so you could check for yourself. I'm gonna teach you how I calculate this instead of just throwing a number, so you can do this from now on. So here we are looking at the THETA USDT chart. As you can see, the price was low for the last few months, then it started moving upwards in December, then it consolidated for a month. Then now it's moving up massively, driven by the patent news and all the partnerships that are coming along. So they have very strong plans for 2021. The mainnet 3.0 is launching in less than a month. It will give us some new features and all of that. So it's very hyped up now, and I expect it to continue till the end of the bull run. Now, let's look at the market cap. 8 billion market cap. And the whole cryptocurrency market cap is at 1.8 trillion. Now, let's assume the whole cryptocurrency market cap goes to 8 trillion by the end of this bull run. The price is gonna go up by 4x, because we're at almost 2 trillion. Multiply that by 4, we're at 8 trillion. That is not considering that it could rise in the ranks. We're assuming it's gonna stay at rank number 15. I can easily see this as a top 10. Like, it might go higher, but I see it as a top 10 at the minimum by the end of this bull run. Now, let's check the other coins, the top 10, what their market cap is. So Chainlink is at 12 billion and we're at 8 billion, so it's a 1.5x. So 1.5x times 4x is 6x. So I know this is a bit conservative. You want to hear 20x, 30x, 40x. It could easily go up more depending on how wild the bull run is gonna be. Please stay subscribed to this channel. If there are any updates, I will update in these videos on what the new price prediction would be. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please join our Telegram group. I hope to see you there. We have more than 12,000 subscribers calling trades together and making massive profits. Link is below this video. I hope to see you there, and I will see you again in the next video.